Hi everybody and welcome back to another Cooler Master video. Today I don't have one, I don't have two, but I have four new chassis to show you, and all four of them, they're part of the new Masterbox line. As you may know, the old generation of Masterboxes was already super popular, and all of these chassis, they basically improve upon all the features that made them so successful. Starting from the left, we have the Masterbox MB510L, then we have the Masterbox MB511, the Masterbox MB520, and last but not least, we have the Masterbox MB530P. So now, let me run down through all the features of these four new cases, starting from the left, from the MB510L. So the new Masterbox MB510L sports a carbon textured front panel that makes it look sleek and unique at the same time. On the side, we find an edge-to-edge transparent side panel with very nice looking 45 degrees cut perimeters, and on top we find completely open ventilation. Speaking of ventilation, the water cooling support is huge in this case. We have 360mm radiator support in the front, 280 up top and 120 in the rear. Of these chassis, multiple colors may be available. It depends on the vendor or the region you're in. So for every information about this, check the link in the description. But if all you need is a very nice chassis to build your next system in, you have nothing to worry about, because with this case you have maximum GPU clearance, super easy cable management even with PSU extensions, and a 100% toolless mounting design for both SSDs and HDDs. If you want to learn more about it, you can check the H500M video where we explain this concept for the first time. And also another cool thing that is 100% toolless is the fan mounting system, thanks to the special pack design. As you can see, with this new generation of Masterboxes, we have improved the ventilation a lot, and actually everything is filtered and super easy to clean. And speaking of ventilation, one fan is included out of the box, so you can add your own favorite fans to get from this to this. Now, we all know that powerful hardware needs powerful cooling, so here is the new Masterbox MB511. The new Masterbox MB511 keeps all the features from the 510L, but it's even more aggressive in terms of design and ventilation for maximum performance. Also, in this case, you can find multiple colors available, so check the link in the description. And what is special about this design is that the mesh in the front acts as a dust filter as well for completely unrestricted ventilation. Of this chassis, there is also an RGB plus tempered glass version available. Again, all the links are in the description. Now, here's a bit of a throwback to the beauty of the old Masterbox line, the MB520. In this chassis, we find a beautiful dark mirror front with much improved ventilation over the last generation. And this time, we also have a full-length PSU cover with front radiator opening, for a beautiful system both outside and inside. Again, in this chassis, we have maximum radiator support and maximum cooling support. And there is also an RGB plus tempered glass version if you're into extremely clean looks. So again, if you want more information, check the link in the description. Now, last but not least, here is the big guy, the MB530P. The MB530P is dedicated to users that are in search for something truly unique. It sports 3 tempered glass side panels and 3 front addressable RGB fans out of the box. But don't worry, because we include an easy-to-use controller that, wait for it, does not require you to pay a premium. Do you want to get even more sophisticated? You can hook up the fans to your motherboard using the included splitter and unleash the true power of addressable RGB. Even the power button is lit. The tempered glass right side panel hides all the cables coming from the PSU thanks to the unique sealed print design. And to help you even more during cable management, we also include high-quality rubber grommets and smartly positioned zip tie points. Is this not enough? Included there is also an handy-dandy cable cover that helps you achieve the perfect cable management without any effort. And of course, this case is 100% water cooling ready and packs all the awesome support and features of the other smaller brothers. Do you still want to learn more? In the description you will find all the links to all of the chassis and also the RGB plus tempered glass variants. If you have any questions, again, write me in the comments, I will reply as soon as possible. And for now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.